Hello everybody and welcome to Art for Everyone. Today we're going to be making one of these jumping origami frogs. So to start you're going to need a piece of origami paper, and for this, when we start to decorate, we will need a pen. To start with, we will turn it the other way around, fold the paper in half as such. Just press it down, make sure it's as close to the half mark as you can get. Open it back out, get this edge, fold it into the center, and then get this edge and fold it into the center. Press this down and then press the like button, and then we will get this in front of us the way it is, so you can see that spine on the back, see that on the front. We're going to get this corner, just bring it to the bottom here and make sure this top edge lines up with this side edge. So as you would for when you're trying to make a square, just push that down and then open it back up again, and then push, and then we get the edge again and this corner into this side over here. Make sure those two edges are lined up and press it back down again. And then if you haven't already, press the like button. And then what we're going to do is, where we've got this two folds crossing over, we're going to just fold there, that bit down, and that should give us all of the folds that we need to get the front of the frog made. So we're going to be making this bit here. So to do this, we're going to push this fold in, and on those diagonal folds that we've got, we're going to bring those two together, press that down, again bring that fold into the center, and the diagonals will fold up. There we go. You should have something like this, look like that in front of you. Then we're going to get this little piece here, this corner, and attach it to that top corner there, just with this edge going down this line over here. There we go. And again with this, same with this, that corner there to the top with this edge lining up with the center. There we go. And then what you want to do is these two bits that are sticking out, we're going to get this corner here and bring it into the center there. So there's going to be a fold going all the way down here from this corner all the way down to the middle of that edge. We just want to be as careful as we can. This edge will be coming into the center. It should do it automatically itself, which is the best thing about this. A lot of this is extremely easy. And then again, that into the center. And if you need to stop it and see where you're at, if I'm going too fast, by all means stop, have a look, make sure. And then what we want to do is, we've got the base of it ready. Now the next bit is the fun bit. So we want to see how big we want our frog to be. So let's say we want our frog to be about that big. We need to ensure that there's enough space for the legs to come in here. So we fold it that way, and then we do a zigzag fold there to there. Try and keep it in line, like I'm trying to do. Here we go, and then fold back again. And and fold that way again, and then fold back again, and there is your jumping frog. Just pull these out a little and press down and it should jump. And the best thing now is that we can add some eyes onto it. Now, I don't have any glue with me, otherwise I would be putting some googly eyes on. Put a couple of eyes on, give it a couple of nostrils, and some ears if you want to give it some ears. Then we've got our jumping frog. Hey! Thank you everyone. Please like, subscribe, share, and see you for the next one. Woo!